Hey there, this is Jake from SurvivalGeek. I have a product to demo real fast here. This is the Aukey FM transmitter. They run about 14 bucks or so on Amazon. Just going to do a quick unboxing and give you guys a preview. These are great for travel, business trips, rental cars, vehicles where you can play your iPhone or your Android, your tablet, iPad, laptop, whatever you have, so you can play music through your radio. So if you don't have a Bluetooth hookup in your car or a 3.5 millimeter audio jack in your vehicle to be able to play tunes, you can use one of these and play it right through the actual radio. So, unboxing. This just shows warranty. All Aukey products have a 24-month warranty. User manual. It comes in 5 or 6 different languages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different languages. Really quickly, music quality, hi-fi stereo. FM frequency range is 88.1 to 107.9 megahertz. Intervals in 0.1 megahertz. Let's see here. Clutter and harmonic, negative 60 decibels. Effective range 5 meters, 15 feet. Working voltage DC 12 volt to 24 volt. That's 12 volt to 24 volt. USB output voltage is DC 5 volt at 2.1 amps, which means it has, so you have this here. You can charge your cell phone or your tablet directly from the port here. It's a 2.1 amp charging port. When I plug this in, I have a little light comes on to tell me it's working. This pops up. It turns on red when you actually see it. I'm not sure if that's a speaker hole or not. I don't think it is, but anyways, it could be. And at the other end here, I have my actual 3.5 millimeter jack here, and I can plug it right into my phone or tablet or PC or whatever you have. So the whole unit, here it is, tape measure. The whole unit in length looks like right at 41 inches or 3 foot 5 inches. If it's not long enough from you, they sell 3 or 6 foot audio cables at Walmart all the time, or Best Buy, to extend that. It'll be a female end that plugs in, and then it'll extend another 3 to 6 foot, 3 or 6 foot, and then the other end can plug in, so you can extend it through a van or somewhere else if you wanted to. But like I said, this plugs into your cigarette lighter, and then you plug a cable in here like USB, and then the other side into your phone or tablet or whatever you wanted to from there to charge things. And anything that you can charge from a regular charging port that you plug into your car for USB charging. It's very simple. Like I said, 24-month warranty. And Aukey, brand name is Aukey, A-U-K-E-Y, Aukey. Get the box real close here. Aukey. It's a decent box. It's hard. It's not breaking or anything or going down, even as it is. So is it being shipped to you? Is it gonna get smashed or something like that? I doubt it. It works very well. I still have the protective cover on mine. You can peel it off or leave it there. I'd say leave it there. That way if it gets scratched up, you can still take it off. These buttons actually press and click. Click, 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 click. You can feel them and hear them click as you press them. So they're not pressed in, and they do work very well. The thing about FM transmitters you have to remember is typically if you have stations like in the 88s, 89s, 90s, 91s, 92s, and there's nothing on them, let's say you have a station like you have something on 90.1, and then 90.3 you have nothing, and then 90.5 you have another station coming through. If you use 90.3, a lot of the times you'll have feedback or something coming off of one of the other channels. So you want to look for a channel grouping that has maybe something on 90.1, then 90.3, 90.5, and 90.7, nothing on those. And then 90.5, you'll use that one because there's nothing on either side of those channels, and then you'll have a clear output coming through for your music. If you pass through a city, a lot of the times the channels change, or you pass by different radio towers, and all of a sudden you might get feedback because something may be coming through on the channel you're using, so you'll switch to a different channel. You'll switch to a different channel on your actual head unit inside your vehicle, and also on this unit as well. They have to match. Once they match, then it'll play whatever you're playing. You'll set the volume on your phone or tablet or PC to max, or your MP3 player to max, and then you'll control it inside your car to control the audio and everything. No, not just MP3s, WMAs, MP4s, video, audio, anything. It's going to stream the audio regardless through your speakers in your vehicle. If there's any video, it's going to come through your tablet or phone or PC or whatnot, Mac or whatever you're using at the time, Ubuntu, Linux. So, let me get real close here for you guys just to see the instruction manual. So as you can see, it comes in Aukey. Comes in a multitude of different languages. I'm just going to go to English for now. You guys can press pause on the screen. You can see Aukey BT-C4. That's the very top line. Thank you for choosing Aukey BT-C4. Bravo Tango-Charlie 4. Okay. And then the technical specs. So, this has been the best one I've ever used so far. I don't get any static or any problems. Aukey is a great company. They sell some of the best USB cables you can buy. All their USB cables are charge and sync cables, which means charges your phone, sync means you can plug it into your computer and transfer files back and forth between devices. A lot of cables you buy, they're cheaper, are just charge. They're not synced, so you try to plug them into your computer or whatnot to transfer devices. I'm sorry, to transfer files around, and they will not transfer files around because they're just a charge cable. A lot of people don't understand that, but that's just how that works. If you can't find Aukey, a secondary company you can look for is Anchor. They're not bad. Aukey I like pretty well though. I've got a lot of their USB cables, they work great. But like I said, this works great for travel. If you're flying in somewhere and you rent a car, you get something from Enterprise or somewhere else, and you got a rental and you got the most basic system to save money, and all of a sudden you're stuck in a vehicle that just doesn't, you want to play music through the system. Nice little luxury there, and take this item with you in your carry-on bag and plug it right in, and there you go. So, like I said, it is a FM transmitter. It does not do Bluetooth. It just transfers your music directly through an empty audio station off your head unit, off your radio that's inside of your vehicle. So I'm sure all vehicles you rent or buy today have at least a radio inside, and that's all you need to use this. So thanks for bearing with me today, and like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in another video.